Hey everyone, Jai Jagannath. I welcome you all to the Excel tutorials where we will learn about Gantt chart. Now one question may arise in our mind that what is Gantt chart and how to create it in Excel. So let's don't waste more time and dive into my screen. This is what we are going to learn and this is how a Gantt chart looks like. So here the definition of the Gantt chart is written. But in simple words, a graphical representation of activity against time is known as Gantt chart. But doing it practical, let's understand the data and what we are going to do with this data. So in A column, activity lists are present from activity 1 till activity 10. In B column, start date of the activity is present. In C column, end date of the activity is present. In D column, duration of the activity is present. From this duration and start date, we are going to find the end date, and we will do this by a basic simple formula, so don't worry about it. So in E column, status of the activity is present, like pending, in progress, completed. Here completed is present, so this is a false data. So from F column onwards, dates are present till 31st October, and below these dates you can see some series of colorful bars are present, and we can also observe that where pending is written, the bar color is in red; where in progress is written, the bar color is coming in yellow; where completed is written, the bar color is coming in green color. If I change this first one to completed, we can see that this color is changing to green. So it's automatically done, and we will do all this in practical. Again, one thing you can observe that here one line is coming, and to achieve this line I have created a drop down by data validation of all the dates. If I change this date to 11th October, then you can see this line is shifting towards 11th October. Again, if I change the dates to any other date like 21st October, it's shifting towards 21st October. If again I change this one to 5th of October, then again it's coming to 5th October. So it's all we will do in practical. So let's don't waste more time and jump to a new sheet for doing it practical. In this sheet, I have typed all the necessary data required to create a Gantt chart. So before that, you can observe that in A column activity list is written but it's not showing properly. For date, to see all the dates, I have to scroll this one by the scroll bar every time from left to right. So first of all, we'll adjust these things. So I'll keep my cursor here in F3. Press this Control, Shift and right arrow to select all the dates. Go to Home tab, Cells group, Format option and click on here Auto Fit Column Width. So I'll click. Somehow it's adjust, but we can see that I have to again scroll left to right. So one thing we can do, we'll rotate the text. So for rotating, I will go to Home tab, Alignment Group, and here in AB option, one little small arrow is there. Click on that arrow, rotate text up. So we can see that the text is rotated. So now again we will adjust the column width, but we will use the shortcut key, that is Alt H O I, and now you can see that it's shrinking properly. So now for this activity list, we can do the same thing, or else double click here and it will adjust automatically. So for start date also I will little bit do it like this, and now we will find the end date. To get this end date from the start date and duration, we will use one simple formula, that is equal to select this cell plus this cell minus 1. We are doing minus 1 because to get the actual date including start date. So I'll press enter and we can see that we are getting the actual date. I will flash fill all this. Now we are going to find the status, means create the drop down for status. So we'll do that one by data validation. So we'll go to data tab. In data tools group, one little arrow is present, click on that one and data validation. In allow, click here any value to list and give the range. In this source you can type, or I will give this range. as I have typed beforehand. So I will click OK, and you can see that it's coming, but it's not coming in other cells. So I'll press Ctrl Z to undo, and now I'll select all these cells and I'll press the shortcut key, that is Alt A V V, for data validation. And in allow I'll give the list, in source I'll keep the cursor, and I'll select this range and click on OK. So you can see that here all the drop downs are coming. So now I'll give a false data to create the bars. So now adjust this one, and now we'll type one formula here, that is if formula along with and formula. So equal to if, press the tab to select the formula and press the tab. Now logical test 1, that is if this one greater than equals to this start date, and again this cell less than equal to end date. So give me the value of the status, or else give me blank cell. Press enter, so it will work. So now if I drag here, it's showing blank because our cell references are changing. So to correct that one, we will do this cell referencing by pressing F4 or adding $sign. So I'll press the F4 to add $sign. Here we have to jump from F to G and fix the rows. So we'll fix the row column. Here also we'll fix the row. Here we have to fix the column. Here I will press the F4 3 times to fix the column. Here also I will fix the column and press enter. And now if I drag this one towards right and towards down, you can see that our formula is working properly. So keep this selection. Now go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting. It's in Styles group. Conditional Formatting, highlight cells rules equal to, and here you will type completed. And I will give the color. I will go to Custom Format. I will go to Fill, and I will give this green color. I'll press OK. OK. You can see that it's coming. Again for in progress, we'll do the same thing. In progress, we'll give the yellow color here. OK. OK. Again we'll do the same for the pending. We'll give pending and it's red color. And we'll do this red color. OK. OK. And now you can see that our colorful bar is prepared. But one thing you can observe, that your text is also present. So to vanish or disappear this text, we'll select again this all cells, go to number. Here one little icon is there, it will open the format cells, and then I will click on this custom. Here in place of general, I'll type 3 times semicolon and I'll click on OK. So see the magic, text is disappeared. So this is how we can create a Gantt chart. So if I change this one to completed, you can see that it's changing its color. So now we will get that line, vertical line. So to get that one, we will create one drop down here. So I'll press Alt A V V. So in this I'll check list. In source I'll give all the dates and I'll click on OK. So you can see that drop down is made, but here numbers are coming without dates. So I'll press Ctrl 1, shortcut key for format cells, and I will go to dates, and here I will choose this one. Other formats are there, but I'll choose this one and OK. So now you can see that our desired date is coming properly. So now we'll create that vertical line. So I'll select all this. I will go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting. This time I will use New Rules, and here I will click on this Use a Formula to determine which cells to format, and here I will give a formula, that is this cell equals to this cell, and we have to do this referencing. So our row will be fixed and columns will be jumped. So now format, and I will go to border, and in border I will give this right border and OK. So you can see that this vertical line has appeared. So now if I change this one to 11th, then it's shifting its place, 20 also is shifting, and 30 also it's shifting. So like this you can create a Gantt chart and do your own customization for attractive visuals. I hope you liked the video and gained some knowledge, and I believe that you will connect with me for future video and knowledges. Till then, have fun. Bye bye. Jai Jagannath. Signing off.